AgWeek weather is sponsored by Bremer Bank. Connect with a banker today at bremer.com.
Will the weather cooperate as the region rolls into planting season? Here's John with our AgriWeather outlook.
Weather playing into the wrapping up of planting season. Field work going on all across the northern and central United States. And we're actually seeing a little bit of a change in the weather pattern. Showers and thunder showers are becoming a little more common in the Great Plains and the upper Midwest. And we're starting to see things warming up again. You know, so much of the winter was warmer than average. The spring has been a little less so in general, and now it's starting to look very warm once again. Now, that being said, the start of the period, we have some cool weather across the northern plains. That's just rain-cooled air. The air mass inherently not that terribly cold. Lots of warm air due to some upper-level ridging over the eastern United States. It's actually a little cool in the Pacific Northwest right now, with some freezing weather up in British Columbia. The other area of freezing daytime weather up around Hudson Bay. That's more typical this time of year. The primary polar jet stream is this line right here, the middle line, ridging over the eastern United States. And as we go through the week, that will expand a bit. Troughing shifts to out along the west coast. That's where the weather will be cool. Northern Rockies, Pacific Northwest, most of the Great Plains, most of the eastern United States will be quite warm. I'm demarking the red or the hot areas as weather that's in the 80s and 90s this time of year. The warm is where it's mostly in the 70s, and the non-committed colorless areas are sort of mild. That's like weather that's like high temperatures in the 60s. So it's a pretty good weather pattern for getting field work done. We're not seeing any real freezing weather as we go through the week. And notice by the end of the week, the ridging becomes pretty fierce. That's going to be a very warm pattern here for the latter part of April. And it will stay fairly ridged as we go into the weekend. Looks like a little system will move out, but with this being on the south side of the jet stream, could produce some scattered showers, thunder showers, and thunderstorms in various parts of the Great Plains and upper Midwest. Now, as we go into the second week, which is now the first full week of May, it's still looking not only warm, but I would say warmer than average throughout most of the Great Plains. There'll be a little bit of troughing toward the end, but the warm weather pattern is not likely to leave. It's going to stay fairly mild throughout the region. For this week, April 28th through May 4th, some showers and thunderstorms down in the mid-south. Showers, maybe a few rumbles of thunder coming up as far northwest as North Dakota, and then spreading across the Great Lakes and the northern part of the Corn Belt. Southeast looks pretty dry. West Coast will get a few showers this week. And the second week, it's kind of the same areas. Showers and thunderstorms in a few areas of just general rain showers in the Great Plains. East Coast dries out a bit, and the West Coast stays generally wet and cold.